Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I am showing you how to make an easy cucumber, tomato, and avocado salad. First start off by slicing 2 cucumbers. I like slicing off the ends and then slice it in half lengthwise. And once you're done slicing the cucumbers, transfer them into a large mixing bowl. Then you're going to cut 1 pint of cherry tomatoes. Being that they're pretty small, I just cut them in half. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Then you're going to dice half of a red onion. We like using red onion because it gives the salad an amazing pop of color and great flavor. We love avocado, especially our daughter, so I like to make sure there's plenty of it. I add 2 avocados to this salad. Now we like to add fresh cilantro, but if you're not a fan of cilantro, you can always add dill to this salad as well. Now the dressing for this salad is super easy. First start by drizzling about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You're going to need 1 lemon. But before you juice the lemon, it helps when you roll it between your palm and the counter to release the juices. Then slice it in half right in the middle. I love using this hand juicing tool because it filters the juice and catches all the seeds, and it fits perfectly on my glass measuring cup. Then after juicing your lemon, add the lemon juice to the salad. I like to finish it off with about a teaspoon of salt and pepper. And then you're going to toss everything to combine, and this salad is ready. I hope you all enjoyed this healthy salad recipe. Please give it a big thumbs up. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Action! Action!
Okay. If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Bye!